Alright guys, today I wanted to make a quick video in how to remove the headlights on a 370Z. Unfortunately, I don't have a front bumper in this car and it did not come with one, so I cannot show you how to remove that. You will have to remove the front bumper, and there's plastic clips all along here, and there are some bolts. There is a bolt right here. It's like a 10 mil. You have to unscrew right there. You have all this paneling that has to be pushed out of the way, and then of course you have the front skid plate if you have a skid plate. If not, if you don't have a skid plate, then there's going to be some weather guard under there. You're going to have to unbolt all those bolts that are underneath there. You can remove the front bumper. It's really straightforward, but unfortunately I don't have the front bumper to show you how to do that. I am in the process of taking all these panels apart because I'm going to be selling them, and I figured let me make a video on how to remove these headlights because there might be someone in the internet that needs that. So in these headlights, with these headlights, they are going to have hidden bolts, and they live underneath the front bumper, the front fascia on the vehicle. So they're actually, there's one located right here. There's another one located here, okay? And then there's gonna be one up here, and you can see you have no choice. You have to remove the front bumper in order to remove these headlights, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove them and show you along the way what you can encounter, just in case you're doing one of these. So the first bolt that we're gonna start with is the one that's right here, right in the top, and I'm going to go to the other side because this is more than likely what your vehicle is going to look like. It's going to have the weather stripping here, and you're going to have to pull this back out of the way. You're going to see that here is the bolt right there. I'm going to go ahead and loosen that up. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Let me go ahead and release this clip right here. I'm going to get one of my trim tools. So you see, I have that loose out of the way. The next one that's very easy to get to, but on these headlights it's broken, is the one that's right here, right in the top of where the radiator support is. Okay, you can see that clip or bracket is broken on that side, and it's broken on this side. So more than likely I'm gonna give these headlights away. So if you're interested in these, I'm not a fan of them. I debated whether to sell them for like 50 bucks, but I think I'm gonna just give them away to somebody that needs them, that wants them. So I'm gonna put my Instagram link down below, so if you want them you could message me directly, and if I still have them, you could have them, you could keep them. So the next place that you're gonna take your attention is of course to the side right here, and this one's broken as well. So we're gonna still take it off this bolt right here if we can. And now we're gonna take care of the bolt that's right here, right underneath the headlight. This is where the bumper sits, right in the front. I'm gonna remove that one, and I am using a 10 mil for all these. And now you just simply pull forward and it comes out. It's that simple, guys. You are gonna have this plug right here. Let's get a look at the plug, what it's gonna look like. You're gonna have one main one just like this, and you're gonna unclip the plug. I mean, that's pretty much self-explanatory, but I'm gonna go ahead and push down on that clip and pull it out just like that. So if these plugs get stuck on you, okay, and you cannot get it loose, sometimes that happens. What I have done before is grab the air gun, the shop air gun, and blown behind the plug, because sometimes there's little pebbles, little grains of sand that get stuck behind the plug and you're not able to release this. So you can blow it off with the air gun.
Alright guys, that is it for right now. Make sure to subscribe for more how-to videos. We'll see you in the next one.